Alright, new JLU unboxing. So from what I know, it's a standard JLU like before. New body, color, new shocks, and the new V3 system. Check it out. Hopefully get some good footage on it. Man, that looks good. These chrome wheels look nice. Oh, look at that shock movement. It's not that bouncy that it used to be. Oh yeah, way better. Now let's open it up, see what we see inside. So it does have the 2-in-1. It does have the ability to run your throttle channel. So if you want to upgrade to brushless, you can. It comes with the same battery that the Power Wagon comes with. And let's see. Let's get these batteries out, put them in the charger, and get these on the track. Oh, it even comes with little spacers for the shocks. That's nice. I don't think I've seen that before in a kit. Alright, let's see what's in the bottom of this box. Alright, so we do have the same charger that comes with the Power Wagon. I actually like it. I think it's the best of the chargers that come with the series. And the small pistol grip radio. Oh, wow. I don't think that's good. That's definitely broken. Alright, well. Wow. Didn't expect that. Alright, well, I guess we're not going to run it. Let's see what we can do. Oh, alright, well, that's a bummer. Well, I guess I get to ask some questions and see if I can get it fixed. See you guys next time.